Today we are going to look at how to create a swap partition and mount it to your system if you forgot to do so during your OS installation. Let's begin by creating the swap partition. Make sure to go to disks and select the partition that you want to use. If you don't have one, you can create one. I currently have this partition right here. Normally a swap partition is supposed to be either equal to the size of your RAM or half the size of your RAM. So for my case it's 8.6. Now select the partition and we need to format the partition, and the format here we go to other and we need to select swap, Linux swap. Okay, and then click next and allow it to create the partition. So my swap partition has been created, but as you can see it says here it's not active. Next we need to test whether it can be mounted to your system, and to do that just click over here to mount, and just like that you can see it has been mounted. To confirm that, just open your system monitor and check the swap is mounted. Right now it's in use, but every time you boot it will not be mounted automatically, so we need to set it up so that it will be mounted immediately upon booting. All right, so what we need here is, while the swap partition is selected, look for this UUID code right here and you need to copy it. And next we need to edit two files. The first one is the fstub, and the fstub is supposed to be in the etc folder. Get it etc/fstub, and in this file you need to look for the line with the word swap right here. Okay, now look at this code right here. The code that is written here, this one ends with EFB23 and this one does not, so we remove this and replace with the UUID for the swap partition. Okay, now save. We can save the file and leave it. Next we need to edit the grab, and the grab is supposed to be in the etc folder, and here we need to look for the line where it says resume, so we need to change this to match the UUID of our swap. Again, I had already copied, so I just paste and I need to save. Close that. After editing on the grab, let's update grab with this line and you're done.